Hey everyone! Today is a special holiday edition where I'm going to be doing two looks, a his and her holiday hair tutorial. So that's right ladies, it's not just for you. Guys, listen up. The holiday season is one of my favorite times of year. I love all the lights, I love the decorations, I love spending time with my friends and family, and we're probably gonna be spending the holidays a little bit different this year, but I don't know about you, I still wanna look cute, I wanna feel good, and I wanna add that little extra holiday touch. The first look that I'm going to do today is the textured side sweep. So this is my partner, Kevin.
Hi.
And we've just freshly shampooed his hair with the Aveda Men's Performance Shampoo and Conditioner. Kevin's hair is fine, although he does have a good amount of it. The top can generally be a challenging area as it tends to fall flat. So prepping the hair and blow drying is key. Guys, if you think that the blow dryer is just for the gals, think again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to properly prep the hair and blow dry to achieve maximum volume. The tools required for his look are a blow dryer, a styling concentrator, a small styling brush, and a comb. And the products that I'll be using are the Aveda Texture Tonic to prep and the Aveda Men's Performance Grooming Clay to finish. To prep Kevin's hair, I'm going to use the Aveda Texture Tonic. Now what I love about this product is its ability to create an effortlessly undone finish. So I'm going to apply, mostly at the root, I really want to focus on that area, about 6 pumps into Kevin's hair. And I like to also go through with a comb and just ensure that the product is evenly distributed. Now this product has cane sugar in it, it also has salt in it, so it's going to be the perfect combination to give Kevin's fine hair a little bit of grip during the blow dry. You're going to want to ensure that your heat setting is on a high heat and the air setting is on a medium to low setting. You're also going to want to use a styling concentrator and attach that to the front of your blow dryer. Now this might seem like a new tool, but what this is going to do is it's going to give you more control over the roots to create that volume. Today I'm going to be using a styling brush, and this is optional. If you're looking to create maximum volume, I definitely recommend using a brush, but if you're wanting it to be a little bit more natural, you can just go ahead and use your hands. It is the holiday season, so today I'm definitely going max volume because I want to have the hair last for all of our Zoom cocktail party calls. Once dried, you can obviously see how much of a game changer the blow dry is. This is really the foundation of the look, and it's going to help to keep the hair from deflating. So to finish Kevin's hair, I'm going to use the Aveda Men's Grooming Clay. What I love about this product is it has a matte finish, and it's going to give a little bit more separation and texture to the look. So I'm going to apply a small amount in between my fingers. And you want to ensure you start to emulsify the product because this is going to help to heat it up a little bit so it's easier to apply. And it also is like a nice workable hold. So it's not going to be sticky or really a firm hold. You're still going to have a little bit of movement and it's going to be able to be pliable. So I'm going to just start in the front and just sort of sweeping it through. And ensure you get the sides as well because that'll bring out a little bit more texture and definition. And then to add that texture, just start to sort of separate it a little bit in between your fingers so that you get a little bit of definition on the ends of the hair there. This is my sister Heather, and today we're gonna do a modern glam wave. This is an easy look to achieve, and it is probably great for every day, but since it's the holidays, I wanna add that extra touch. So I'm gonna use the embellishment of a bobby pin. The tools required for her look is a flat iron, a regular comb, a wide tooth comb, some sectioning clips, and a handful of bobby pins. The products that I'll be using are the Aveda Heat Relief Thermal Dry Conditioner, the Shampure Dry Shampoo, and my ultimate favorite, Aveda Air Control. Heather's texture is fine and straight. And for this type of hair, I generally don't like to work with really clean hair. So it is approximately 2 days dirty right now. I'm gonna start and prep her hair with the Aveda Shampure Dry Shampoo. And this is a non-aerosol powder. And just sort of puffing it, lifting at the root and puffing it in. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna absorb some of that oil and kind of give her hair a little bit more body and volume. After I've brushed the product through, I also need to prep her ends. So I'm gonna use the Aveda Heat Relief. Now Heather's hair is fine, and it's also processed. So using a heat protector is really imperative so I don't create any damage when I go in with my flat iron. The first thing you'll like to do is separate the front from the back. So I'm gonna use a comb to separate that out. And I'll clip that out of the way. And it's generally a good idea to kind of start in the back because then that way you can get a couple practice rounds in. So when you get to the front, you know you've got the technique down. So I'm gonna take a horizontal section across the back of the head. And I want to elevate the hair straight off the head shape. And I'm gonna go in with my iron. Now you wanna make sure that you don't clamp the hair too hard or you're gonna leave a crease on the hair, which can often be really hard to get out. So as I go in, I'm gonna roll the hair up and then roll the hair down. And kind of what I'm thinking about is kind of like if I'm riding a motorcycle, you wanna roll up to increase the gas and then roll back to decrease the gas. Next section. Same thing, hold the elevation out, coming in, gently clamping, rolling up towards the ceiling, and then down towards the floor, and then up towards the ceiling. So I'm only going in about 3 sort of wave patterns, and then once I get closer to the top, I'll probably do more. Okay, so now that I'm at the crown of the head, I want to change my section angle, and I want to ensure that I raise a little bit more of my elevation to get more volume in the crown. Elevate a little bit higher, and then continue with my waving pattern. All the way down to the ends. Again, holding the hair out vertically from the head, gently clamping in with my iron, and then I'm gonna roll up and then down. And my tension is really important too. I don't want it to be too strong or you'll end up pulling out the wave. Next section. And like, if it's not perfect, don't worry about it. You're gonna be combing through it afterwards and all the waves and sections will come together. So now I'm gonna let Heather try a section. There you go. Yep. So you can see it's a little bit straight, so too much tension. So that's what I mean with the tension. You don't want to be pulling out as much. So let's try one more time. Okay, there's the section. So as you clamp onto it, roll up. Yeah, exactly. And then down, and then up. And yes. Amazing. Nice work. You're pro. I'm also gonna finish with the Aveda Air Control. This is my ultimate favorite product. I literally need it wherever I go. So I'm gonna add this into the ends. And it provides a really nice weight, lightweight dry hold. And it also will help to eliminate static, which I find can happen in these cooler months. Next, I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and I'm gonna just gently start to brush it out. So this will break up any partings in the hair and really make the waves come together in a uniform style. And don't be afraid to flip your head upside down and just add in a little bit more of that body. So I'm just gonna kind of come in and just shake it out. Now to finish the look, I'm going to add in my bobby pins. I'm gonna go in and create a grid pattern. So I'm gonna start and apply the bobby pins vertically, and then I will come back and overlap horizontally with the pin. We've completed her look, Modern Glam Waves. I hope you've enjoyed my his and her holiday hair tutorial. Now you're ready to celebrate the holidays with your bubble friends or meet up on Zoom for that cocktail happy hour. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. You can find me on Instagram at Newton's Flaws, and I wish everyone a healthy and safe holiday season. Thanks so much for watching.